because of you! No, I'm just kidding. Police did an awesome job, and so did Faith for Life Church. It's all part of the fun. All part of the experience here at Round Rock Boat Regatta. This is our last competition of the day, ladies and gentlemen, that we'll be giving out the awards. We hope to stay for the awards. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Go, Sam!
Looks like the Golden Dragons are all in their boat. Enterprise is right behind them. And the speedboat is coming up behind.
Go, Sam!
Give him a hand, ladies and gentlemen. Looks like Golden Dragons having some issues. Uh-oh, he lost his oar. What's going on? This is madness out there. There we go. Uh-oh, Golden Dragon, they spray a leak. They're sinking. Okay, be spectacular. Never make it dramatic. Fall down, be dramatic. You can still win the war. I don't think they're being dramatic. Be dramatic. You're supposed to fall, scream, yell.
Let's go, Sam!
Looks like Enterprise has the lead on this one.
Oh, now his engines are tilted.
Right behind them. They have SS awesomeness. Those kids are really working on it.
Oh, they're trying to sink it. Okay.
The Amazonians want to challenge the Civil Air Patrol. So Civil Air Patrol and the Amazonians please come to the shoreline. I guess they can't just get enough. They got out of road here. Does anybody else have to re-race their boat? Uh-oh, what happened? Oh, we went down out there! SS awesomeness. And he's holding the flag up. I love it. That's a sign of surrender. Love it. Give them a hand, everybody. They even had a prop ready in case they suck. That's pretty creative. You know, if you shoot, they're going to get the shot. The race is going to race Union Hill again. Can you believe it? It's like WWF. I guess everybody's going to come up and race this last race. If you want to come up and race your boat one more time, we're going to kick you all off together one more time. And on the way back, I'll tell you that was pre-planned, right? I think they say with drama they even had clock to go with it. Next race will be an open race. If you want to race your boat again, you come to the starting line now. If you'd like to race your boat again, please come to the start. The people are starting to do a huge error out there, and it turned the boat completely